Welcome. Today is super exciting. I'm excited to bring you that the news that Dogecoin is actually on the rise, right? So hopefully it's going to cross 10 cents and I'm hoping over this weekend. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk. My name is Syed and this is the #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecasts. And we'll take a look at in this video not only the price breakout of Dogecoin as expected, as what we've been doing in the last several weeks of our analysis, right? And finally we see the results that the market has responded and it seems that the price is going up. So we'll take a look at that. But more importantly, of course, today is Saturday, so it is our time when we do our weekly analysis of our portfolio. And so I'm super excited. It's nice to see the price go up. And of course, it's the weekend, which is another exciting day. Of course, if the price goes up of Dogecoin, we are all happy, right? And that's the idea. So I welcome you once again to this channel. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and of course, like. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So let me go ahead and first quickly set up my chat here, and I'm going to make sure that I have it on and everything seems to be working fine. But apart from that, today, awesome. Look at the price of Dogecoin. It crossed, like 5.8, right? Let's quickly check it out. Yeah, it's 0.58. So just a little shy from the 6 benchmark, right? 6 cent benchmark or the support level, and that's exactly what we've been talking about for the last few days. So if it can sustain itself at about 6 cents over the weekend for the next week or so, then there's no stopping. It is going to hit 10 cents pretty soon. So the technical analysis, our analysis showed that it will hit 10 cents. So we'll take a look at it in this video. Our analysis, of course, the last week's analysis, which is awesome because now you'll know exactly if you were to cash out, for example, or take profit, how much would that be? So that'll be, I'll run some numbers, of course, we'll share the Excel spreadsheet. Not only that, moving forward, they'll give you another benchmark as to what is your investment portfolio, where you stand, and how it's going to go forward. So once again, thank you so much for joining. Let me quickly go ahead and make sure I can see everyone and you guys are on. Just give me a moment here. Perfect. All right, so we're going to take a look at Dogecoin. It's 0.058, which is nice because yesterday, or for the last entire week, the price was pretty stable. Like we mentioned earlier, it was in the consolidation phase, and now it's moving up. So this is an awesome news. That's right off the bat. So Dogecoin to 10 cents. Let's go. That's the title I chose for this video. Plus, of course, we are going to do our weekly analysis. In other words, all the highs and lows that are that happened over the last week or so, and we'll of course run our numbers and see how that kind of works. So welcome, guys. All right, my chat is up. So Hector, welcome back. I'm going to Disneyland. Yes, you bet. We should all go to Disneyland, right? Yeah, definitely. Reese Beats, what's up, brother? Doge God will bless us. Yeah, definitely. Sure, why not? That's really the idea, and we have been taking a look at this right for the last couple of weeks every single day, and this is really good because all of our technical analysis showed that there is going to be a breakout soon, right? So if you bought yesterday, if you were in my stream yesterday, remember what I said? Do not be crying, guys. Do not be crying, right? If you didn't buy. So definitely, it's so far so good, right? Looking good. Crypto will be the future. It is. Thanks, Reese, for the comment, and welcome. Welcome, Colby. Appreciate it. Dogecoin to the moon. That's really what we are. That's what's happening right now. Let me do a quick price check right now again. 0.058, 0.0579. Yeah, it's on the rise. And that's a good thing. That's a good sign. All right, Colby, BTC is long overdue for 100K, but useless. Well, I don't know. It crossed 60 okay, you know, hey, what can you say? That's Bitcoin. Of course, the forecast analysis, the technicals do say that the Bitcoin is going to rise. And I'm going to also give you another important tip, by the way, in this video. So make sure you stay tuned, because next week will be huge for another altcoin, and that I'm keeping that a secret for now, right? So I'll give that out shortly, and that's going to be a real moneymaker, especially if you're in cryptocurrency. All right, so that's fine. Let me make sure I have the chat here displayed on my window also. Let's see, just give me a moment here. All right, where is it? There we go. There's the link. So we'll just give a couple of moments for the rest of the crew to join, guys. Super exciting. It's weekend, and we are going to take a look at the actual Dogecoin going up, which is excellent, which is super duper news, and also our weekly analysis. So that is more important, because that will tell you exactly how our week ended, whether you took a profit or not, or if you're holding Dogecoin for the long term. Remember, we talked about having portfolios that are both long-term scenario and short-term as well, right? And of course, other stocks as well, other altcoins. I just did a video yesterday, or just a little while ago, and I talked about the top 8 altcoins, by the way. So go check that out. Some great information, content in that video. I just uploaded it, right, apart from my stream. All right, so welcome, guys. Welcome back. If you are new, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. And if you're already part of the channel, welcome. So it's nice to see you guys again. Let me know how you think of the price going up. Will it cross 6 cents today, right now, as we speak, or maybe it'll just continue to go up to 10 cents? So let me know. Put some comments in, so we know exactly where Dogecoin is going to be. All right, perfect. Let me bring up my, there we go, perfect. All right, guys, so I'm going to jump into the Excel spreadsheet, weekly analysis. So let's crunch some numbers. This is going to be a fun day. Dogecoin is on the rise, so our numbers are definitely going to be looking good moving forward from today, right? But we are going to do our weekly analysis from the previous week, or the week that ended yesterday. But moving forward, will be in a better position, right? If Dogecoin continues to rise up to 6 cents, or maybe even 10 cents. So we're hoping sooner than you think, right? Remember, we talked about 10 cents maybe in 6 months, but guess what? It's only been less than a month where Dogecoin is actually almost reaching the 6 cents benchmark. And if it finds its support, it's going to grow further to the next level, which is crossing 7 or 8 cents, and of course, eventually 10 cents. So we take our things slow, guys. All right, we go slow. We do our analysis. We take a look at market conditions. We take a look at the acceptance of Dogecoin. We take a look at, of course, the popularity. Of course, it's the 3rd most popular coin so far, and that's really what it is. So we are going to take a look at our weekly analysis right now, and I'm going to jump into the Excel spreadsheet. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So this is our my Excel spreadsheet. That's the Excel portfolio, like sort of like high level, right? I just want to highlight what that you see here is basically weekly highs and lows. That's what we're interested in, right? Even though I have it open, close, adjusted close, and the volumes also. But we do a weekly analysis in terms of the high price, and I also did an average, by the way, for the entire week, so we know exactly what our buying cost is. Okay, so this is what you see here on the screen. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you were here last week, with me along with every single day, you will know exactly what this Excel spreadsheet look like. And if you need access, of course, I'll be happy to give you access. I'll just put a link here as well. All right, so looks like the chat is also showing up. Perfect. Doge should be 20-25 cents. Yeah, definitely. Colby says Doge should be 20-25 cents. You never know. It just breaks up and goes all the way across 10 cents and goes to a quarter, which will be exciting. Definitely exciting to see where Doge is going to end up moving forward, and that's really, really important for our price chart today. The way Doge has been performing, it's really going up. It's at 0.58, right? And it's still climbing. Of course, the moving averages are up. All good signs, guys. All good signs. And that's really what is super, super exciting. So definitely we see Doge climbing up. Let me see if I can color code a little bit here. So we should be able to see the chat. I don't know if that works or not. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to go ahead and simply fill this up and see what happens. Now, we're fine with this. I'll set it up later, but we can still see. Perfect. All right, so this is our weekly Excel spreadsheet that we see. What you see here on the top left is the Dogecoin performance from March 8th to March 12th, which is Monday through Friday. I typically don't include weekends. I just want to make sure we have the averages for basically just the week itself. Okay, and that's really helpful to know our average and see what's going on and exactly where we stand and where your portfolio is. All right, so let's run some numbers. Let's see where we at. So the average high price right here that you see is 0.0593. This is for just last week, Monday through Friday. And the average low price is 0.0543. Down below here, you'll see in the middle Dogecoin performance of the week February 22nd to February 26th, because we've been keeping track. The average high price was 0.06 and the low was 0.053. And then, of course, the week prior to the week ended just now was 0.0517 and 0.048. And at the bottom here where you see example, this is basically our profitability analysis, so to speak, right? So we can take a look at had we invested hypothetically, right? If we invested a certain amount of dollars, what Dogecoin would have brought us. And of course, I also have it listed at Bitcoin just for a comparison's sake. So let's run some numbers, guys. Are you ready? Perfect. Let me quick check some comments here first, see what's going on. Make sure everybody's on before I actually start running some numbers and talking about our portfolio. All right, so comments. Supervisor, new 0.064 floor is a realistic outcome after today. Welcome. Super, absolutely, I agree with you. This is absolutely exciting, and we are looking at this price, the new support level, right? New floor, absolutely, yes. All right, what else do we have? Raya Silva, Dogecoin to the moon, welcome, buddy. Thanks for joining in, and if you're new, just make sure to hit the subscribe button. And Kinsjean, good job. My brother, perfect. Yes, appreciate it. Appreciate your comments, appreciate your support. I do, by the way, have these super chats, super stickers enabled. Look at the top right corner, guys. This is something new that YouTube just emailed me yesterday, and I just set it up. I said, wow, this is cool. So if you guys are interested in supporting Invest Desk and would like to see this content every single day, streams every single day, I'd appreciate a super chat, super sticker. So plus we also talked about how we can set it up where we'll have t-shirts of Dogecoin. So I'm going to take all of this, if we do get there, and actually printed up some t-shirts with Dogecoin, and of course they're yours. I'm going to do a weekly giveaway also. So yeah, definitely check the super chat, super sticker out. There should be a little dollar icon here next to the chat window. If you want to click that, and I'd appreciate that. So yeah, definitely. All right, so welcome everyone. I'm going to go ahead and run some numbers now. All right, so let's take a look at our Excel spreadsheet here. All right, so let's find in the last 3 weeks. This data that you see here is the last 3 weeks. Okay, pretty much the amounts in bold are the averages for the week ending Friday, which is March 8th to March 12th, and then of course the high for the week of February 22nd, 26th is 0.06, and then of course for March 1 to March 6 is 0.0517. All right, so let's say, for example, if you bought something which is probably the lowest value that I see here, or the average value. Let me see how it was. Well, these are the average value, but I want to find out. Let's navigate to a different. So this is, I'm going to go to March 1 and March 6th. All right, and the lowest price that I can see here was 0.0481. All right, and if I go back another week, which is the week of February, we see 0.0424 right here. So just about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, that's about right. So the lowest price I can find in just 3 weeks. All right, it's not even a month yet, right? So in 3 weeks, the lowest price was 0.0424, and a lot of us bought, by the way, guys. I remember streaming that day. I stream every single day. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And if the price is at a dip, it goes down, we buy. So let's take this price, which is 0.0424, and go back to our example here. So I'm going to go ahead and input this 0.0424, right? And let's take a look at the highest price of Dogecoin in the last 3 weeks. So let's go back to the week of February and see if in the high column we have the 0.052, 0.057, 0.0599, and here's one 0.0605. So it did touch 0.0605 just 3 weeks ago. Let's see, 0.0605 is also in the last week. Nope. Let's go to our 0.0605. Perfect. There we go. So these are our numbers. There it is. So in 3 weeks, guys, listen up. 3 weeks, you would have profited 42.69% in Dogecoin. Okay? If you had bought at the lowest price in 3 weeks, during the last 3 weeks at 0.0424 and sold at 0.0605, which is so far the highest price, you would have profited 42.69. Okay? Percent. So in terms of dollar value, for example, let's say you invested, conservatively speaking, or depending on your own, of course, budget, if you invested $5,000, you would have made a little over $2,000 in the last 3 weeks. All right, just by buying and holding, by the way. We're not selling every day. We're not doing day trade. We're just buying. We bought something 3 weeks ago, and you still have it here. That's about a little over 2,000. So, and that's really it. All right. Thank you so much. This is awesome, by the way, guys. Thanks so much, Colby, for contributing for the super chat. Rajesh, I love you, man. Perfect. Thank you so much. This is awesome. You bought at 0.572, around 1 million Doge. Can I take a profit now or buy at a dip? Or should I wait for long term? Appreciate your suggestions. Yes, definitely. I would be happy to suggest, but keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but I've been doing this for many years, and most of you know that I do have a degree in finance and, of course, a PhD, but I've been doing this for many, many years. So yeah, let's check it out. Rajesh has a good question, and this is probably for the rest of the individuals too. So big shout out to Rajesh for now. And let's see. So you bought it at 0.0572, about a million Doge. We can do the math. If the price is right now at 0.058, okay, so it's not too much of a difference, but since the quantity is higher, you may end up a little bit of profit. I don't know. I would probably hold. I would take a profit just like here that you see in our Excel spreadsheet, right? It was at 0.04, and then right now the price is 0.06. So that would be a nice profit to take, right? Wouldn't it? On a million Doge. But definitely, it's really your decision. But I would wait a little bit, maybe next week. If it hit 10 cents, that'd be a good sell, at least for now. But definitely, we are in the long run, right? We're looking at the bigger picture, because the way Dogecoin is moving, the way it's been accepted by enterprise organizations as a cryptocurrency for people. It's designed that way. It's an inflationary based coin, not a deflationary, like Bitcoin is deflationary and so on. So we are definitely in for the long run. And all right, so thank you so much, Rajesh, for this. And Colby, thanks so much, buddy. Appreciate Another shout out to Colby DuPont. Awesome. Thank you so much. This greatly helps. All right. So let's go back to our spreadsheet here, talking about numbers. So if you invested $5,000 3 weeks ago, right? Let me put Rajesh's number here, a million Doge, right? That'd be about, I don't know. I got to do the math here. Let's do it. All right. And I'm going to divide that by 0.057. All right. So let's run some numbers. Perfect. Let's say you invested $100,000, right? Assuming that you guys are rich, right? In 3 weeks, you would have made $42,000. I don't know, right? And that's just 3 weeks, guys. All right, we're not talking about a year, 6 months, 2 years. The average portfolio, by the way, if you invest money in stocks, bonds, give it to a broker, typically like Fidelity Investments, for example, right? They give you an annual return of about 8%. The range is from 8% to 12%, somewhere around there, right? If it's a good day. But here you're making 42% in less than a month. All right, just with Dogecoin, just 5 cents, guys. This is the price. So the last 2 weeks, Doge was at 5 cents and it was keeping steady at 5 cents. And that's, it was exciting to see where Doge was. So yeah, I mean, if you invested 100,000, you would have made 42K. Hey, that's not too bad. All right, Rajesh, can you please respond to my comment? Yeah, sure. Do you have a number here? Yeah, I see it here. 965210. What is the dollar amount, Rajesh? Give me a dollar amount so I can input in the Excel spreadsheet and see what your profit is. I need the dollar amount, buddy. That'll be helpful. Or actually, I can multiply 965,210 Doge, right? So let's do the math here. Let's do the math. Let's come up with it. 965. I'm just going to average it out, right? Just so you have an idea, not the exact numbers here. So let's do 965,000 into 0.0572. I think that's the price you bought it at. All right, so this is about $55,000, right? Perfect. Let's run it. Let's go back to our Excel. I'll do this for you. No problem at all. So if you invested like Rajesh invested 55,000, right? But of course he invested at 0.0572, if I'm not mistaken. 0.0572. There we go. So if the price of Dogecoin goes to 6 cents, Rajesh is going to take about 6% profit today. And the dollar amount will be around $3,000. So I don't know when you invested, Rajesh, but this is how it's going to be. So if you want to hold and wait till the price goes to 10 cents, let's run the number here. So if I make this 10 cents, okay, and that's what we're hoping. Rajesh, you're going to make $41,000, buddy. That's what you're going to make. And that's a 74.83% return. I don't know what else can beat this. So we just got to wait till it hit 10 cents. All right. So maybe next week, maybe a week later, I don't know, a month or so. It's not bad, right? Basically doubling your money essentially, right? Pretty much. So yeah, definitely. That's what the numbers are. All right. So welcome, guys. Appreciate you joining. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. We are doing our weekly analysis here for the last week or the last couple of weeks. And we're also taking a look at how Dogecoin has been performing so far. And whether it's going to be something helpful or not moving forward. All right, I'm back. All right, Rajesh says, thank you very much. Your suggestions, awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. Appreciate your support, by the way, with that super chat. I have that in the top right corner, guys. If you'd like to see Invest Desk, this channel grow and do daily streams and do our analysis, run our numbers, potentially make you guys some money. So whenever the price goes to the dip, I stream. So you get notified, right? And that'll be a good time to buy. So definitely I do streams every single day, and then we do a weekly analysis at the end of the week. So today's the weekend, today's Saturday, and super good day because Doge actually is going out and moving in the upward direction. Thanks so much, Rajesh, buddy. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thanks for the super chat and super sticker one more time. I appreciate it. All right, let's pick up some more comments here. Should I buy Dogecoin? Seriously, Dr. Rick is suggesting. Well, Doc, I'm a doctor too, right? PhD. But hey, let me tell you, look at the numbers here. The price 3 weeks ago, the lowest price we bought it at, I bought it, and everyone else or most of the subscribers here on this channel, the team, I'm sure, bought at a lower price 3 weeks ago. And since we stream every day, since we do a recap every weekend, this is absolutely, and here are the numbers. You see it right on the screen. Numbers don't lie, right? It's data. So if you want to buy Dogecoin, it's still a strong buy as per the technical analysis. And I'll show you that chart, the trading view, shortly also, so you get an idea. So hanging tight, I'm going to show that chart, Rick, so that you can actually decide for yourself. But that's really, if you want to buy, that's your decision, but it is still a strong buy. So I appreciate that. All right, let's see. A couple of more comments. Walking Streets, welcome. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And Rick, did it hit 10 cents? We're going to go party if it did hit 10 cents, right? If it did or not. It's a 0.057. I may have to refresh, by the way, and it could have, by the way. You never know. Yeah, so let's keep a close eye on where the prices are. Sunken City from San Pedro, California. Welcome. I appreciate you joining. If you are not a Fin advisor, says, but at this price range right now, is it a good buy still? It's actually technically a buy, all right? And the reason I say this because on TradingView, when we run our numbers, let me see if I have this, by the way, so you guys can take a look at it. I have the chart open here. There it is. And here are the technicals. So look at the chart here, guys. It's a strong buy, right? And that's really what it is. So all these indicators down below, all these indicators are buy, 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 right? And that's what it is. Yesterday, or for the last week or so, it was just at a buy, but now it's just strong buy. So here it is. Go check it out. This is the indicator. So if you want to buy and hold, it's definitely going to cross 6 cents and maybe, going up to 10 cents. So appreciate your questions and comments. Keep those comments coming, and welcome to this channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, because I stream every single day, minus maybe a Sunday, right? So I won't be around tomorrow, but I will also upload a video tomorrow, just like I did a little while ago. But definitely all throughout week, I stream every single day about the same time. So make sure you hit the bell notification and keep that support coming. The super chat, super stickers are on your top right on the screen. So I appreciate your support and love. This is awesome. This is helping this channel grow. Also bringing you more up-to-date knowledge, information, forecast, technical analysis about Dogecoin. That's our baby. That's what we're gonna, hold, and we're gonna grow with this. The most undervalued crypto coin right now is Dogecoin, guys. All right, go check it out. Don't take my word for it. This is it. We've been talking about this for the last 3 weeks. All right, Old White Man, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much for the super sticker, super chat. Appreciate it. Love Dogecoin. Will hit 10 cents soon. Absolutely, absolutely. You bet. It is actually moving in that direction. The price was stable for the last 2 weeks, right, in a consolidation phase, and that's exactly what we were very diligent about our technical analysis for the last 2 weeks, every single day. And today is the day. Today is a strong buy. Today is the price breaking out to 10 cents. So thank you so much, Old White Man. Appreciate it. Love Dogecoin. It will hit 10 cents, and we are all going to party, right? If it crossed 10 cents and maintains it, that's going to be a big, big day for all of us. So I put a lot of effort in this. So definitely, if you guys are following this channel, if you're on to this, you are benefiting from the latest news updates, not just speculation, guys. Okay, I actually, my work. Every single day I bring up not only the technical analysis, but in fact what's going on with Dogecoin, where it is being accepted, whether it's CoinFlip ATMs, right? And CEO of CoinFlip wants these ATMs in Tesla because these ATMs accept Dogecoin now. He wants them in Tesla stores. With MasterCard, Visa thinking about a stable coin currency to be implemented with their network infrastructure, right? With Mark Cuban's team, 20,000 transactions already in Dogecoin. See, it's already happening. And by the way, yesterday there was a breaking news. I don't know if you caught that or not, but the company out in Canada, right? Their website crashed because they announced that they're going to do Dogecoin mining. And our yesterday's stream was all about Dogecoin mining. That was another revenue stream or project that we high level talked about. That was part 1. So yeah, definitely, it's not a joke anymore, guys. Right? Look at the numbers. Look at the chart. Look at what's happening. So yeah, definitely. So thanks so much once again. Shout out to Old White Man for that support for the super chat and super sticker. Appreciate it. All right, Free, welcome, buddy. Hey, when do you feel Dogecoin is going to hit $1? My personal prediction, the way things are progressing, I think it's going to be next, maybe 2 months, 3 months, maybe 6 months, somewhere around there, right? Not too far away, because see, we have to see the exponential effects of Dogecoin acceptance. If more and more companies are accepting Dogecoin or start to accept, that's exactly the perfect stance. So definitely spread the word out, use, and this is exactly what I'm going to do. We talked about printing t-shirts with Doge on it, right? So yeah, I'm super excited, by the way. Maybe I'll do it next week. I'll order it and I'll do a giveaway and a contest and see who the winner is. So yeah, it'll be exciting. Of course, we also have fun on this channel, not just talk about the dry prices, but yeah, that's the idea. So we are building a community. This channel is bringing you, by the way, latest news, updates, and forecasts, right? So InvestDesk is the #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, especially Dogecoin. So yeah, Thank you, Wall Street Pickers. Welcome, buddy. Even a homeless guy could still afford at a nickel. Yeah, exactly. That's thanks for the comment here. That's absolutely right. Because this is not something that you're thinking about buying Bitcoin. That's about $60,000, and you're buying a fractions, right? You're buying one Doge. So if it goes to $1, that's still one Doge, right? Absolutely. So thanks so much for this comment. Appreciate it. Eric, welcome. Number Dogecoin, you bet. David H, it's MBL now, not Doge. MBL has had 190% growth. Yep. Cossi the 8th, would it be smart to buy even if it hurts your average cost per coin? I don't know. That's a good question. My analysis, typically I keep the actual cost low. Okay, the average cost must be low, and you see that on the chart here. Let me bring that up here one more time. These are, by the way, the signals of Dogecoin. It's at 0.0578, so almost to 0.058, guys. It's going up. This is our performance. So you'll notice here our average high and average low, right? So the average low is 0.054, but it's really your own decision. But I would typically stick around with the average. Try to maintain the average cost as low as possible. All right. Welcome, Waqas Sayed. Thank you so much. Great work, sir. Appreciate it. Appreciate you being on this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Scott, safe to stay hold? Yeah, I'm holding, guys, by the way. Just so you know, I'm holding. All right. Dogecoin to the moon, and that's the idea. So I'm going to hold. That's, again, my own decision. All right. Mike, Joe, 50K Dogecoin holding long. You bet. Way to go. That's the deal. All right, check some more comments. Hello, Roller Scratcher. Welcome, buddy. Make sure you hit the subscribe buttons if you're joining now. We're doing a weekly analysis of Dogecoin. Dogecoin price breakout is what you're seeing. Thank you so much for your support, by the way. And make sure you check the super chat, super sticker up on top. I appreciate the support. If you would like to support Invest Desk as your #1 channel for bringing you the latest news, updates, and forecasts, so make sure you get that going. All right. MJ, I think we could see anywhere from 0.75 to $1 by the end of the year. Yeah, definitely. Could be even sooner, guys, sooner, because all of our sort of like predictions, so to speak, they're actually sooner than we are actually predicting, right? Yeah, so that's how it is. Yash Patel, thanks so much for joining. We'll be happy and we'll appreciate if someone donates me a couple of dollars. Yeah, it's only 5 cents a Doge, 0.0567, right? Hey, let me check out the price here. Yeah, 0.0578, so that's not too bad. M. White, welcome. Nobody should hold Doge long term, just goofy. Yeah, it just depends on your portfolio. Look at the numbers here. You see it on the screen. Look at the example below. If you had invested $55,000 just 3 weeks ago, you would have made $41,000. Oh, well, let me correct the numbers here because I changed it for Rajesh. So let me go ahead and find the low price one more time, which is 0.0424. This was the price 3 weeks ago, the lowest price when it hit, and we bought it. I bought it. Well, so I'm going to enter 0.0424 right here, 0.0424. And then the highest price, right, it touched was 0.0623, which is right here on March 9th. It actually went up to 0.0623. So if I were to do 0.0623 on a $55,000 investment, you would have made $25,000 in 3 weeks. Go figure. If you like to be conservative, let's say you only invested $10,000 3 weeks ago, you would have made almost $5,000. That's a 46% return, guys. 46% return in less than a month. These are real numbers. You definitely can verify it. And if I make a mistake, let me know. But yeah, these are real numbers. That's how it is. So definitely, welcome, guys. By the way, if you're joining, thanks so much for joining. This is the #1 channel, Invest Desk, for cryptocurrency investing. bringing you the latest news updates and forecasts, by the way. Okay, and make sure you check the super chat, super sticker out. Get that love coming in. This is really, really helpful and supporting this channel grow, bringing you the news so you can benefit. Just like these numbers, just like this example. Check it out. If you invested $10,000 3 weeks ago, you would have made $5,000 profit, almost 5,000, 4,693 and 40 cents to be exact. So yeah, definitely. All right, let's check up some comments here one more time. Do I see some super chat, super stickers coming in? All right, not yet. All right, guys, let's see. Hello, everyone. Angel, hey, welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Walking streets, 10 cents. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Dogecoin to the moon. That's exactly what it is. We've been talking about it, for Doge to go up, up, up. And guess what? Finally, it broke the consolidation levels, guys. It was at 0.05, averaging out for the last 2 weeks, and finally broke. So this is exciting. All right, more comments. Let's see. Who's joining? OBX. Goofy was a dog too. Yeah, really. That's a good one, buddy. I appreciate that comment. That's funny. That's exactly how people are talking about Dogecoin as a joke, right? And the critics are still looking at it that way. But you're right, OBX. Way to go, buddy. Yeah, Goofy was a dog too, but look how popular that dog became. Low roller scratcher, welcome. I said Dogecoin at least 25 cents this year. I don't know, maybe even higher. The way things are moving, the signals. Let me bring those up quickly so you can actually see the signals. The technical analysis of Dogecoin, it's still a strong buy. It's at 0.058. Yes, just a little while before it hit 6 cents. Awesome, guys. Maybe we'll just do it right now while we stream. And this is, we make history, by the way. In the last couple of weeks, we made a lot of history. And today we're making history if it crosses 6 cents. Because just like Bitcoin, remember Bitcoin? 10 years ago, it was less than 10 cents. It's crossed $60,000 today. And we're anticipating crossing 100K by the end of the year, Bitcoin, right? So it's only 5 cents for Dogecoin, guys. So check it out. It's a strong buy. Look at the analysis here. The summary, the oscillators, the moving averages, they all are showing it's a strong buy. So yes, it's Dogecoin to the moon. It is really happening. So that's how it is. All right. JT Taylor, welcome. I own 2.3 million and holding at about 0.003. Well, that's awesome. I bought at that level, but not as much as you did, by the way. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, more power to you. Perfect. I'm super, super happy. This is how it is. All right, Jim Ferguson, welcome, buddy. I've got 250 at 0.0012. Much wow. You bet. At 0.0012 and it's 0.058 or 0.06. We can run the math. So definitely, it's exciting to see how we're actually believing, right? Not only just believing in this coin, but this coin is actually performing on its own. It is a strong, getting to be a strong cryptocurrency because of its inflationary design. And I've discussed this in the last 2 weeks extensively in every single day. Different aspects of Dogecoin, from its history, from its design, from its, the developers working on it and what they're essentially doing. I'm going to be bringing next week, by the way, the developers interview, one of the core Dogecoin developers interview. I'll be bringing that up. I was able to get a transcript of it. So we'll go over some of the questions that were asked to this Dogecoin core developer, right? So we'll take a look. And by the way, the core developer of Dogecoin is in Germany. We're in the US, right? So I'll bring that out too. So yeah, definitely, I'll get you guys updated every single day. All right, Raron Rocks, 90K here, still holding. Thanks for the info, sir. You're most welcome every time. This is the #1 channel, by the way, for cryptocurrency investing, especially Dogecoin, guys. So thank you so much for your support. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification, and don't forget that super chat, super stickers up here, by the way. This support is helping us. I'm going to be creating some t-shirts, by the way, with Dogecoin logo, and we're doing a giveaway, and we'll have lots and lots of fun moving forward, of course. All right, well, Will 718, because Doge is inflationary. Oh, where did that go? Well, I'm getting so many comments, guys, here. Hang on, I missed that. I'm gonna scroll up. All right, I'm gonna find it. All right, I'll come back to it. All right, Ken's Gene, if I hold 1 million Doge, can I become a millionaire? Yes, you bet. If it goes to $1, you're a millionaire. And it's inevitable, just a matter of time. All right, I want to invest in Doge, but broke. Hey, it's only 5 cents, buddy. So if you invested in Bitcoin 10 years ago, it was less than 10 cents. If you invested $100 in Bitcoin today, you would have had $600,000, right? That's how it is. So hey, don't be, it's okay. Whatever you have, just pick a few Doge and just forget about it. Hold it. That's it. All right. I was only predicting Dogecoin reach 10 cents in 2021 from last year. I didn't expect Dogecoin reach 9 cents in so early. InvestDesk. Yes, low roller scratcher. That's exactly what it is. We were anticipating way later. We were thinking about Dogecoin as being, it's going to take 5 years to go. But now it's really happening. It is a strong even buy now. The technical analysis shows our numbers also are correct. We do a weekly run through of the entire numbers and you make 42% profit, guys. And that's how it is. So it is happening faster than we expected. And by the way, keep in mind that it is not happening because of the tweets that are coming out of Elon anymore. Elon Musk is not tweeting about it, right? It is actually the acceptance of Dogecoin within the market itself. Enterprise companies or other companies are using Dogecoin. So yeah, definitely it's happening faster than we actually think. And this is exciting, super, super exciting for Dogecoin. We are hoping that it will now create another support level. So this is Dogecoin. It's still technically a strong buy for Dogecoin. So if you're thinking and looking at the other indicators, by the way, this is at TradingView that I set it up. And of course, we also talk about our own indicator that I demonstrated a few days ago, the squeeze momentum indicator that also showed, by the way, a strong buy. But here's our Excel spreadsheet. This is our basically our weekly analysis. And on the bottom here, you see an example where if you invested $10,000 3 weeks ago, because the lowest price 3 weeks ago was 0.04. And the highest it went for the last 3 weeks was 0.0623. So you would have made 46% profit. All right. You can't beat that, guys. You cannot beat that. All right. Well, I'm sure you can beat it in other things, but for Dogecoin specifically, it's super exciting. So yeah, welcome to this channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, because InvestDesk, this channel, and I'm your host. My name is Syed, and we are going to grow together. I'm super, super humbled, and thank you so much for your support, joining this and subscribing, and hit the bell notification, guys. And of course, don't forget the super chat, super stickers up here in the top right if you do want to support InvestDesk channel so that I can grow and bring you more information every single day. I'd appreciate a shout out. All right, Wasim Siddiqui, I'm waiting for up Dogecoin very soon. Yeah, it's already happening, so it's going to go up. And that's where the trend is. Look at the trend line, look at the chart, look at the candlesticks. They're all in favor. The technicals all in favor, the market in favor, right? That's what it is. Manuela, welcome. I only came now. Thanks for joining in, Manuela. If you're new here, make sure first you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. This is the #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, especially Dogecoin. I've been focusing on Dogecoin every single day, streaming every single day. So you'll welcome here. You'll learn quite a bit of things. If you find the content valuable, I appreciate a like also. All right, Cam 9021. I invested 1,700 yesterday. What is my future like? Well, if you invested 1,700, if it goes to $1, you'll have 1,700. Jim, super excited. It's my crypto gateway coin. You bet. You bet. That's exactly what it is. All right, Arata, welcome to the channel. Evo Guy bought at 0.055. Awesome. Dap Center, check out Dap Sense. Yes. This Wizen, check a Dap Sense on Politics, whatever. Better Life. When a joke becomes a solution. Have seen that movie before? Yeah, really. Think about it. We talk about joking, but it's not. It's reality, isn't it? Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. All right. Kenzine, thank you. My brother, you're welcome. Appreciate it. All right. What else do we have? A lot of new guys, a lot of new people coming in. This is awesome. This is super exciting, guys. So make sure, by the way, all of you here that are on this channel, first hit the subscribe button, guys, so that I get to see you. This is just absolutely phenomenal. I'm super, super thankful and humbled that you're enjoying this content. I bring streams every single day about Dogecoin moving forward. And then we do our weekly analysis, just like what you see here. So definitely, this is super, super exciting. All right, Tactless Vin, yes. And then we have Connor, welcome. I made a massive profit off CRO when it crashed to 11 cents. Yeah, you can do that. There are other altcoins too. I talk about Ethereum, I talk about Chili's, by the way, and I'm going to give you other altcoins also next week. And don't forget the tip that I'm keeping a secret, by the way, before we call it a day. I'm going to give that out. So make sure you hang in there. All right, MBK, hello, welcome, buddy. Make sure you subscribe. If you're new, sub, like, and share. Dap Center, awesome. Thank you so much. That's really, really helpful. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, New Online York, Silverway, Coin, Brandon, Kent. When would you sell? Good question, Brandon. I'd like to answer this. So it depends on your own strategy. If you are, selling once or twice, so typically you do a TP1, TP2, which is a take profit 1 or take profit 2, take profit 3, the way you want to spread your profits, right? So that way you are spreading the risk and the rewards as well. So it's really the balance between risk and reward ratio. So yeah, check that out if that helps. So yeah. All right, Dave Herrera, welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. All right, so let's go back to our Excel spreadsheet. We're doing some analysis. Here are the numbers, the average buy for high and average low. So, and our goal, by the way, we always talk about this. Our goal is to keep our average buying cost low, okay? That's the deal. We want to keep this buying average cost low as possible. So whenever there's a dip, that's a good time to buy, right? It's just a simple strategy, guys. But sometimes you miss the dip. That's why you have Invest Desk, all right? So that's why you have me, where I'm looking at this every day, all day, and this is exactly what I, do. So, and that's the reason for this channel. I bring you the latest news updates as soon as something comes up. I stream and I stream live. I do it every single day. Just so that you guys can benefit. So if you can benefit from this content, thank you so much for your support. If you'd like to see InvestDesk grow, by the way, as a channel and as a team, as all of us grow, make sure you check out that super chat, super stickers up here. I appreciate your love and support. So that would help. All right. Let's check up some more comments here. Oh, wow. Raun, HRK 100. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate the support. Ruan, if I can just pronounce your name correctly. Awesome. Thank you so much. Doge for the long term. What's your 1 year prediction for Doge? 1 year prediction starting today from March till next March. It's definitely crossing $1. Okay, it's definitely crossing $1. That's what I'm predicting. All right. Maybe even more, maybe even $4 or $5, $7. I don't know, but definitely $1. So thank you so much for the love and support. By the way, this is HRK. Just gave 100 HRK, 100 whatever currency that is. I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much for your support and supporting the InvestDesk channel. All right, Hector, buddy, you're still here. Perfect. Buy now. It's below 9 cents. Yeah, absolutely. So if it goes to 10 cents, what happens? That's really what it is. So that's what it is. So yeah, keep those donations coming in. Keep those super chat, super stickers coming in. I appreciate your love and support. This is awesome, guys. You guys are wonderful. This is just absolutely crazy. I don't know. This is great. That actually allows me to, in fact, do more and more, bring you the latest. So if you can benefit from this content, from these prices, whether it's the average price, whether it's the low price, and you buy it for yourself, you definitely profit. Just like here, you spend $10,000, you make roughly around $5,000 in 3 weeks. Geez, that's pretty cool. All right, Ben J, you can't predict this. Yeah, well, of course, it's just predicting, right? We're just speculating, rather, right? The correct word is speculation, which is, I shy away from this because I really, myself, my portfolios that I have on multiple exchanges, and I talked about my portfolios, by the way, in the other streams. So if you want to go check that out, but definitely it should be based on solid market information, right? Not just pure speculation, right? So that's exactly what I do here on this channel, or at least I try. And you guys are supporting me, and this is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for your love and support. All right, Healthy Living, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Wall Street Pickers, thank you, Professor. Yes, you're welcome. Thank you so much for being here, for your love and support. You guys are awesome. NDK, welcome. And then let's see what else. Who did I miss? I want to make sure I get everyone. This is Myra, waiting for the date reaches $1. Thank you so much. Appreciate you joining the channel. Yes, it will hit $1, just like Bitcoin. Remember, 10 years ago it was 10 cents, and now it's crossed 60 cents. Even 3 weeks ago, we were talking about Bitcoin. Remember, guys? And we said no, it's not going to go $60,000. And look, it just crossed. All right, so same with Dogecoin. People think it's a joke. It's not. It just crossed, 0.058 and 0.06. So it is going to grow. It actually broke its momentum. The squeeze release. Remember the squeeze momentum indicator that we showed, that I demonstrated earlier. So let me bring up, in fact, the indicators one more time. This is our technical analysis. Is 0.058, 15000 is the Dogecoin right now. It's a strong buy. This is a summary for a day, by the way. You can, of course, check it out in 1 minute, 5 minutes, or month intervals. But right now, today, for 1 day, the summary is strong buy. All these indicators, these are, whether it's the oscillators, whether it's the moving averages, it is a strong buy. And if I bring up the Binance chart here, let me see if I have it here somewhere. There we go. Perfect. So yeah, look at the chart. Look at the chart go up, man. This is awesome. And look at the moving averages. This is our 200 MA that we set up. This is our 25 moving average, and this is our 7-day interval, right? Moving average. Check it out. Look at it just climb up, right? And that's exactly what it is. So we're hoping, the momentum is still strong buy, and it's going to continue to grow. And this is awesome. So again, thank you so much for joining. This is, if you're just joined, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the bell notification and the like button. This is awesome. All right, Peter Rang, first time here and just subscribed. Thank you for the info. Awesome, Peter. Welcome. And thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you because of this team, because of this community, because of this support. This is really, really the reason why I bring all this information on this channel by streaming every day. This is the #1 channel cryptocurrency for cryptocurrency investing, bringing you the latest news updates every single day. All right, live right at your doorstep. Okay, so every time something happens, whether it's the news, whether it's a dip, you get to know. So make sure you're hitting the bell notification, guys. I appreciate your love and support, and get those super chats, super stickers coming in if you wish to support Invest Desk channel. I appreciate that. All right, let's pick up some more comments here. Let me get to my comments. Lucas Hill, welcome. Thank you. Is it going to way past $1? Yeah, we talked about this. Definitely, we're hoping, we're all are hoping it's going to go crossing $1, but I don't know if it's going to be soon or maybe later. So we'll see how that pans out. All right, Eric Notkin, welcome, buddy. How can you seriously predict $1? I can see hoping for $1 and expecting significant growth, but seriously predicting, again, I shy away from this, guys. I shy away from speculation. I shy away from just predicting out of nowhere. It has to be on solid reasons, right? It has to be reasoning, like Humor Lodge reasoning. Yes, it has to be. The market conditions have to be right. The technical indicators have to be favorable. So yeah, that's how it is. Cicello, welcome. Thank you. Chris Leon, thank you. Abhishek, can you please explain how the no cap affects the coin? Yeah, good question. We talked about this in yesterday or a few days ago about the design of Dogecoin being an inflationary design. That means theoretically unlimited supply. And we know that if anything is in unlimited supply, the price tends to stay low. Whereas if the supply is short, demand is high, the price goes up. So Bitcoin, for example, and Ethereum, for example, are coins that are relatively deflationary design. In other words, they have a cap, right? So therefore, the prices are way up. $60,000, $2,000 almost touching Ethereum. And Ethereum, by the way, is a good one too to keep an eye out. I'm going to talk more about it later on too. So that's really in short it is. But if you want to check out my other video, I talked in depth about the design and the inflation and deflation concepts about all these altcoins. All right, Omer, Doge to the moon. You bet. You bet. Let's see what else. EVS, welcome, buddy. Make sure you subscribe. This is awesome. All right, let's see. IT for you. Hey, I need your help. I'm new. I don't know how to send Coinbase ETH to my ETH wallet. Please help. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a wallet, by the way, stream next week. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'm going to be talking about hardware-based wallets. I'm going to be talking about software-based wallets. I'm going to talk about desktop wallets, which is better, which is not. So yeah, IT for you, definitely you want to wait a day or two. Next week, I'm going to be bringing that stream for you, for everyone, I guess. Because, for example, I had a question yesterday about Robinhood. Is it okay to be on Robinhood? Yeah, it's okay. If you're new, it's okay to be on Robinhood. But keep that in mind, Robinhood does not give you your private keys, right? They don't give you your wallet. So think of a wallet as just like the wallet that you have right now in your pocket, right? Where you keep your credit cards, where you keep your cash. Crypto wallet is the same thing. You can have a hardware wallet where you can keep it in your pocket, right, with those keys. And I did order a Ledger Nano X, by the way. So check out in the description below. I have a link to the Ledger Nano S. That's a hardware-based wallet where you can keep your own keys. So that way you have the ability to transfer coins and buy and sell, okay? So yeah, but definitely I'll explain more as we go forward. I hope this kind of answers your question right now, what you asked. So yeah, thank you for bringing this comment up. Appreciate it. All right, DX209, uncapped coin is sleeper strength as BTC and limited coins will break up when bought by corps. Yeah, thanks so much for the comment. Appreciate it. All right, this is awesome. So if you guys are new, by the way, just joining, make sure you hit the subscribe button, spread the word. I appreciate your help and support. If you would like to support Invest Desk as your #1 channel for Dogecoin, hit that super chat. Get that super sticker coming because this definitely supports the channel moving forward. Thank you so much for your support while you're here. So we're looking at right now the Dogecoin price breakout. It's almost at 0.058, 0.059. Guess what, guys? Let me zoom in a little bit. Are we going to see 0.6? Are we going to see 0.6 and stabilize at 0.6? Look at the moving averages. It's just crossing everything. And Bitcoin, by the way, is also crossed 60,000. Ethereum is at 1911, right? So yeah, that's awesome, and that's how it is. So it's a strong buy. It's definitely a strong buy. That's what the technical indicators show. And remember our yesterday stream? It was kind of quiet, right? So yesterday when we were on the stream, we were thinking, well, geez, the average price is only 0.05. And remember what I said. Do you remember what I said yesterday? Let me say it again. do not be crying, right? That's what I said, guys. Do not be crying. So if you didn't buy yesterday or day before, hey, that's okay. You still have many other chances moving forward. So this is super, super exciting to see Doge breaking out a little bit more. And of course, the hope is that it now will sustain at a new support level, be it 6 cents, be it 7 cents, or be it even 10 cents. Sooner than we think, sooner than we actually anticipate. Straw millionaire, Doge is getting a little pump. Yeah, it's getting a little pump. Not bad. We'll take it. Hey, we're not going to say no. We'll take it. And then we have WGOL 2408. Cannot go wrong on any crypto. That's true overall. If you look at a long-term perspective, cryptocurrency is the future currency, guys. Right? That's inevitable. There are 106 million cryptocurrency users right now, and it's growing exponentially. Bitcoin is the new digital gold. Gold reserves have gone down. Bitcoin is moving up. International trade, Bitcoin is actually being used, is going to be used. Citigroup report came out. We talked all about this last couple of weeks, right? Every single day. This is super exciting. So in the long run, definitely cryptocurrency is the future. We are going to be transacting in crypto. Inevitably, paper is going to disappear. And we also, by the way, check out the stream on where I talk about climate change and climate effects, right? So no paper, less, more trees, in other words. What more can we ask, right? So it definitely helped because I know in the United States, for example, to print $1, it costs 5 cents, right? So do the math. The governments are going to save billions and billions of dollars if they just come up either with their own digital dollar, because that's what's happening. Even in the US, the Federal Reserve is working on a digital dollar with MIT, right? And that's how it is. Whether they're going to be on their own blockchain or use any other blockchain, I don't know. But that's what the development is moving forward. So yeah, definitely it's a huge thing. So yeah, so right now, Doge is on the move, on the rise. It is going to hit 10 cents, and that's what it looks like, at least. And we're hoping that the momentum continues, the pump continues, and then it stabilizes at a new support level. That is key, all right? So the key is not a pump and a dump. The key is it goes up, it stabilizes, it goes up, it stabilizes, it shoots up, and that's how the process works. And again, all of this is due to, of course, the acceptance of the coin, right? Not just mere, speculation here. So right now it's at 0.058, and it's moving in the right direction. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are happy. So I'm happy for you guys. You've been awesome. We do this every single day, and this is absolutely phenomenal. So thank you so much, by the way, for your support. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. If you're new to the channel, this is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing. I appreciate your support. So, all right, let's get some comments here. Scott, welcome. I break for rappers. Welcome. Dogecoin is the future. Myra, imagine the day we buy things in Dogecoin. Yeah, we're already buying things in Dogecoin. You can buy tickets at Dallas Mavericks, right? In Dogecoin. Welcome, Scott. I feel bad for people that don't get in. Yeah, it's true. Like I said, don't cry, man. Don't cry, right? If it crossed 10 cents next week, or maybe today even, hey, do not cry. It's okay. We still have way more to go, right? It's still going to hit the dollar. But yes, you definitely want to make sure that you buy at the dip, get your average cost down, maintain that average cost down, and build your portfolio accordingly. You'll be a very, very happy camper in the long run. That's just my own, suggestion. All right. Batman of Inglewood, I just subscribed. Thank you so much, Batman. That's appreciated. Appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. And don't forget that super chat, super sticker. If you like the content I bring every single day, live streams, bringing you the latest news, updates, and forecasts on Invest Desk. This is the #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing. So thank you so much once again, Batman, for subscribing. Appreciate it. All right, Coco, better to buy Bitcoin or Dogecoin? Well, we're thinking Bitcoin crossing 100,000 by the end of the year, right? It just crossed 60. But Dogecoin has more potential. In fact, when I do the analysis, by the way, let me bring that up quick. Let me show you. Let's see, where is that window? Right here. There we go. So let me go ahead and get to my Excel spreadsheet. Perfect. In the example that you see here on the Excel spreadsheet below, you'll notice that Dogecoin profitability is higher than the percentage profitability of Bitcoin. So for example, if Bitcoin price was $47,000 and right now it's at $57,000 or even $60,000, right? Let's do it even today. You'll notice that you'll only make about 27%, right? Whereas with Dogecoin on a $10,000 investment, you'll make 46%. So definitely the numbers are in favor of Dogecoin, guys. That's what you see here. That's how it is. All right, Alejandro, welcome. Yes, no, welcome. Rich, subscribe. Thank you so much, buddy. Thanks so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. My goal is to stream every single day, and that's what I do. I stream every single day, specifically about Dogecoin, but also cover other cryptocurrencies as well. All right, Everyday Asin, hello, bro. Thanks so much. Hello, bro, back to you. Thanks so much for joining. This is exciting, and I'm having a lot of fun here, by the way. This is awesome. Building a nice community, building this team, right? And seeing you guys grow, seeing the portfolios grow, run the numbers. Numbers don't lie, as they say, right? That's how it is. Jose, welcome. I'm a 054 average. Not bad. That's perfect. Some of the guys are at 0.003. Some are at 0.04. 0.03. So yeah, these are all great numbers. These are great numbers, great averages to be on. So yeah, just buy and hold, and that's the idea, right? If you want to be in the long-term scenario. But these numbers that you see here on the screen, this is a 3-week analysis. So if you invested $10,000 3 weeks ago, you would have made about $4,600 just now. That's a 46% return. All right. So that's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too shabby. All right, Doug, welcome. I'm at 10K coin. Welcome. Chia holding 13K. Awesome. Yeah, thanks so much for joining, guys. This is awesome. This is great. This is phenomenal. I'm really humbled. Thank you so much for your support. We do our weekly analysis every weekend, and we do daily streams. I do daily streams to keep track of the lows and the highs and how the performance is of Dogecoin moving forward. And you want to keep your average costs low. And you see it on the screen. The numbers in bold are the average highs and average lows for Dogecoin. So it's still not too bad. So if your averaging low is at 0.04, that's a good number. That's an excellent number based on where Dogecoin is right now, right? It's at 0.058, 0.059, or even it actually touched 0.6 again. So if it maintains this momentum, this growth, this is going to be great way forward. So that's really what it is. All right, Doug F, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Appreciate it. Kamran, number $1. Thank you so much. Does InvestDesk own Litecoin? Yeah, I have multiple portfolios. I have Litecoin, I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. I have Doge is, of course, my baby. This is something that I see long-term, just like Bitcoin, guys, but not as long-term as I probably see. I'm even breaking my own analysis here, guys. Sometimes I think it's actually moving faster than performing well, pretty well, because of this acceptance in the market, because of all these companies taking Dogecoin. It's the third most popular coin, by the way. It's number 14 on the rank. It is being accepted at coin flip ATMs, over 1,800 ATMs in 46 different states in the United States, of course. And of course, they're going to grow globally also. And they're accepting Dogecoin. You can transact in Doge as well. So yeah, this is really crazy, crazy, crazy. Good stuff. Lisa, welcome. Listening to you on my drive. Yeah, hey, be careful while you're driving. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Appreciate it. Righteous, do you think Doge will ever get capped? A good question, by the way. I'm glad you commented. We asked this question to Dogecoin developers. This question was asked to Dogecoin developers, are you going to cap it? And of course, they denied, which is nice, exactly what we wanted. We don't want this cap, because if it gets capped, there'll be a lot of pump and dump. It's just like going to be Bitcoin, right? So the developers got back to us. I shared the tweets in one of the other videos, by the way, last streams, and they said, well, if they cap it, what's going to happen? The price is going to just jump up like crazy based on how much demand there is for Dogecoin, right? So they do not want to cap it. We want to keep it as an inflationary designed coin, because the idea is that this coin is going to be used every single day, right? As a day-to-day transactions. Like if you want to buy clothes, you want to go to Starbucks, you want to do something, you want to buy clothes, buy shoes, pay for movie tickets, just like Dallas Mavericks, right? Mark Cuban's team. If you want to go watch that basketball, you can use Dogecoin. So that's really the idea behind not capping this particular Dogecoin. But again, that's what the current information says. But yeah, thanks for the comment. That was good. Appreciate it. All right, new online, York Servani, all silvery coin, super, perfect, great. What else? Awesome, guys. I'm missing a lot of chats. You guys are awesome. I mean, there's so many new individuals, new guys subscribing. Thank you so much. We're just growing like crazy. Chummy Chum, Money Gang. Yeah, Tim Hunter, what's your average? My average is way, way, way low. My average is way low. I've been at this way earlier. So yeah, definitely. And I still, by the way, buy. It's not like I've bought once and I hold. So every time there's an average. Last time I bought it was at 0.04. And I think I bought it while I was streaming. The price went up, and I was doing this, and most of you were on or probably not, and I bought it. And I also highlighted this within my stream that this is the price. So if you guys want to buy, it's probably a good buy, and it was. So yeah, I've been around. All right, guys. So thank you. Yeah, get this comments coming up. Perfect. This is super exciting to have you guys on. Chris Bautista, do you think it'll go back down to 5 cents this week? Need to buy more? I don't know. Typically, when there's a pump, there's typically a dump because people, cash out. They take their profits. But we're hoping that it stabilizes. The technical analysis showed for the last couple of weeks, shows, right, that hopefully it's going to maintain its new position. So, but again, don't hold me to it. Make sure you do your own due diligence. So Ali Haj, what do you think about the fact that there is no limit amount of Dogecoins someone can buy? Yeah, you want to buy as much as possible, because remember those whales, we talked about those. One of the whales still own about 28% of portfolio, whereas the rest of the whales, they've sold quite a bit too. So both are actually in the works. So thoughts on Ethereum Classic, Miami Flow? Yeah, good question. This is a secret, Miami. So make sure you subscribe, by the way, and hit the bell notification. Exciting things are coming for Ethereum, by the way, guys. All right. So this is something I want to talk about. Maybe I'll do it Monday. Okay. Let's do Monday. Or Monday or Tuesday. But I'm definitely going to talk about this quite a bit, because Ethereum is doing lots of crazy things. All right. So yeah, I'll mention those. So thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. All right. What else? Michael, what are your thoughts on BTC? Is it too late to get in at 60K? Well, the forecast for BTC is 100,000, right, by the end of the year. That's what we've been talking about. That's what the analysis show. But it just crossed 60, which is crazy for BTC. I mean, it's just crazy, right? So definitely, it's going up, and same with Ethereum, same with Cardano, same with Dogecoin. Remember Dogecoin? People don't, there are a lot of critics, by the way. I had a comment yesterday talking about Dogecoin. Well, it's just a joke. It's not. All right, guys, it's not. It's real currency. It's being adopted. It's being transacted in. That's what it is. All right. Bharat, welcome. The tokenomics are crap too. Well, yeah, of course. Some are, some aren't. Coco, what books do you recommend for crypto education? There's several if you want to read up on several things. So yeah, contact me. I have a whole list of PDFs that I do. By the way, on claydesk.com, which I own, we teach a little over 1 million students online. So yeah, I mean, go check that out. You'll see a lot of resources there for all the courses if you're interested in that. All right. Paul Kelper, my original position was 0.002661 and I held 450,000 coins. I was stupid and hadn't been in the market long, so I traded myself out of a 40,000 gain. Geez, that's okay. It happens. You know, I've been through all of this too. So my advice, learn as much as you can. You bet. And if you can work smart, okay, make informed decisions. Cryptocurrency is something that's going to make you a millionaire. I did 2 videos that was last week. Go check them out about how Dogecoin is going to make you a millionaire and how altcoins are going to make you a millionaire. So check out those videos. This is absolutely true. You just have to be smart and have to be current on what is actually happening. And that's the reason why I actually created this channel, by the way, guys, right? To bring you the latest news, updates, forecasts, so you can make informed decisions, right? So yeah, definitely. Good point. Thank you so much. Appreciate your comments. All right. Let's see, more comments. Oh, thank you, Syed. Thank you for the super chat, super sticker. I appreciate your support. I'm all in Doge, 0.047 going strong. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support and supporting the InvestX channel. So yeah, keep the love, keep the support coming in. Get that super chat, super stickers. I have it on the top right. So if you want to help out, that's perfect. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Doug F, I'm holding a few $1,000 worth for 2 to 5 years before decisions because the regret would kill me if I left too early. Yeah, I mean, and that's typical too, by the way, because you buy something and then you sell it and you say, geez, I would have, I only if I could have just held it for a long time. So that's okay. We all go through it. But once you become a little experienced in cryptocurrency investing, once you work smartly, then definitely there's no stopping. So yeah, thanks, Syed, one more time, buddy. Thanks so much for the super chat and the super sticker. Super thankful for your support. All right, Paul, should I sell my Ethereum? You think it'll dip or nah? My own personal advice, I'd hold it. Ethereum is going to make lots of things, and again, I'm going to talk about this. Okay, so yeah, short answer, you want to keep it unless, again, it's your own personal decision. But my personal advice, yeah. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so don't hold me to it. Okay, it's just the experience and the analysis that I do every single day on this. So, all right, John, welcome. What can I do to help Doge grow? ST, Walking Streets, all of you guys, absolutely phenomenal. This is crazy. Thank you so much for your support and comments. Michael Otto, welcome. Patience is the key in this market. Yes, absolutely. This one strategy is being patient, just holding on to Dogecoin, holding on to other even currency, just like Bitcoin, right? Just like Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency, because this is the future. And that's how things move forward. So we're doing our weekly analysis here. Here are the numbers, by the way. So if you invested $10,000, for example, 3 weeks ago at the lowest price, and if you want to sell it at right now at 0.6, which it actually did hit on March 9th, you would have made about $4,600, right? So again, these are the numbers, and these are the average. The goal, of course, is to maintain the buying cost or average low as possible. So always buy at the dip. That's standard investing practice. You want to buy at the dip. All right. And of course, let's go back to our technical analysis. Still a strong buy. Doge is at 0.059, guys. 0.059. This is absolutely crazy. This is super exciting. Is it going to hit 6 cents? While we're at it, let me get a shout out. We are going to go party, right? If it goes to 6 cents and maintains that position. It is going in that direction. It's at 0.059, just a little shy. So yeah, it's a great weekend, isn't it? It's a great Saturday. Perfect. This is awesome. All right, SG1, welcome. Thank you for joining. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Commented, what if you are poor and you can only invest small quantities? Is it worth it for you? You bet. I mean, I always say this. It doesn't matter how much can you invest. If it's only 5 cents, 6 cents. I mean, you can invest $10. You can invest $100, right? Because if you had invested $100 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, you would have been almost $600,000 richer today. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. All right, Walking Streets, good job. Kurt Dobson, total BS. I don't know, Kurt. I don't know. Numbers don't lie, but yeah, you're definitely your opinion. No problem. Arkham, it will hit 6 cents. It looks like it. Looks like it. It's at 0.059. It's happening. And then again, I keep saying that hopefully it's going to maintain its position, right? It's going to hopefully maintain it's going to create the new support level. And if it's successful in creating a new support level, awesome, guys. Then we're out to the moon again. We're going to go for 10 cents, right? Or $1 or 20 cents, 25 cents. That's how it is. So yeah, thank you so much for your support. Rich, thank you for the super chat, super sticker. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. Appreciate your support and supporting Invest Desk as your #1 channel, bringing you the latest news, updates, and forecasts about Dogecoin and other cryptocurrency. I stream every single day, bring you the information, the data backed by solid information, not just speculation, guys, not just talking here and there and talking about it, but actual data to back our analysis. And we also do technical analysis, right? We run the indicators ourselves on different coins. So thank you, Rich. Thank you so much for the super chat and for the support. Appreciate it. All right, Rich, go Doge. Yes, you bet. Go Doge and go Rich. That's super exciting. Thank you so much. All right, Syed, Brandon, super chat your comments. Ha ha ha. Yeah, you bet. If you guys want to hit the super chat, there's a little icon here. If you want to support Invest Desk, make sure you get me a sticker, get a super chat. That helps the channel grow. It helps me bring you more and more up-to-date information every single time something happens, a solid information. So yeah, thank you so much for your support. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it. And of course, you hit the bell notification. Stack Attacker Wager, what is considered long-term for crypto? 2 to 5 years. Man, you're going to be a millionaire in 2 to 5 years. If you were holding Bitcoin, we're millionaires, right? If you had Bitcoin, if you held it for 2 to 5 years, yeah, no doubt about that. So definitely how things are moving, and this is going to be the way, big bullish market moving forward this year, because cryptocurrency is the future, is the currency where everything is going to be transacted in. All right. I was reading an article. Let me share this research with you. In the last 10 years on a blockchain, there has been no, bad thing happen, I should say, in layman terms, right? For example, in the financial world, in the banking system, there are so many errors. You send some money to someone and it doesn't get there, right? How often is that? It just happened. But on a blockchain, it doesn't happen like that. So transactions are verified, all right? There are no mistakes. So this is the future, guys. This is it. It's just a matter of time, all right? Sooner than we actually think. That's what we're seeing right now with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is the third most popular coin, 14th on the rank, but it's picking up, very, very quickly, being accepted very, very quickly, being transacted in, right? And that's the idea. All right. Yeah, thanks so much for your comments. This is awesome. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe. We're taking a look at the Dogecoin price here and also doing our weekly analysis. So if I scroll down a little bit, you will see the summary as being strong buy. The moving averages are strong buy. The oscillators are now neutral, okay? But all these indicators that you see, whether it's the EMA, whether it's the SMA, the relative strength, the momentum is still buy. This right here, that's a good thing. The MACD levels are buy. So it's really all buys. This is what these indicators show us. And yesterday, by the way, when we took a look at these indicators, they were not as strong. They were just at a buy level, right? But today, it's really buy. So it's at 0.0579, just a little shy of 6 cents. What are we going to do at 6 cents, guys? Tell me, what are we going to do at 6 cents? We should be doing something at 6 cents, right? We should be partying or doing something, right? What are you going to do? I don't know. I'm thinking. Let me know. Put them in the comments. What do you want to do if it hits 10 cents? All right. Doug F., welcome to the channel. Appreciate it. Brandon Overton, working on the streets right now to afford more Doge. Yeah, you bet. So am I. Hey, buddy, join the club. Mahmoud Saman, Doge, let's go. Yeah, it's going, buddy, it's going. We're seeing it, it's happening. Anna Lopez, welcome. Doge to the moon. Thank you. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, by the way, and get that love and support coming in. Super chat, super stickers, you see it up here. You want to help Invest Desk channel as your #1 channel? This is it. This is your time to support this channel by sending in super chats or super stickers. Thank you so much for your support. It just hit 6 cents. Do I see it? Do I see it? You bet. Way to go. Way to go. Congratulations, everyone, by the way. Congratulations. This is super exciting. This is absolutely phenomenal. It just hit 6 cents. Doge to the moon. 6 cents. Yes, you bet. Right here. So every one of you, by the way, on this channel right now, you made history. 6 cents it crossed. All right. So 2 weeks ago, it was averaging 0.5, 0.51, and now it's 6 cents. So yeah, get those love and support coming in. Where are my super chat? Where are my super stickers, guys? It just crossed 6 cents. Let's jump in. I want to get those t-shirts out to you. I want to get a weekly giveaway with Dogecoin on that t-shirt. This is something that I talked about. Thank you, Syed. Thank you so much, buddy. Thanks. I appreciate it. $5 from Syed for the 6 cents. You bet. You bet. For the 6 cents. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to print some t-shirts. I'm going to do a giveaway, a weekly giveaway perhaps, and we're going to get those Dogecoin shirts out to you guys. Or maybe something else. That's exactly what we're going to do. And this is our next step. So it's at 0.6. Congratulations, everyone. It may go up to even higher than 6 cents. We still have a ride, guys. We're still riding. We're still riding. Absolutely. Kyle, thank you so much for your support. You're relatively new as a Doge channel, but I wish you success in the channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Appreciate your love. My goal is to bring you the up-to-date news forecast on this channel. All right, more comments. Jewelry bag, great channel. I'll start barking when it gets to 7 cents. You bet, you bet. And I'll probably start dancing when it gets to 7 cents. Huh? Would you like to see that? Yeah, let's keep it that way. So I'm gonna give you my dance right when it goes to 7 cents. that'd be cool, wouldn't it? Definitely. Arthur Perez, welcome. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I bring in live streams every day. That's what we do. We talk about Dogecoin. That's how it is. All right, perfect. So thanks, Arthur, for joining. If you're new, TJ, at last 6 cents. Please keep up going, baby. That's what we're saying. Get that momentum. It's still a strong buy. The indicators, look at the indicator. It's still a strong buy. So during this stream, by the way, if you had bought something, you would have made some money too. Okay, quite a bit of money, depending on how much you wish to invest. So Arthur Perez is going to subscribe. Thank you so much. Appreciate your love and support. Thank you. Appreciate it. Salvador, pump it. Yeah, it's happening. Doge is flying, guys. It is. It's going up. You bet. You bet. It's at 0.06, and hopefully it's going to maintain this position. Eric, it's at 0.061. Yeah, there's this lag on my screen, but you bet. That's a huge, huge jump. Let me go ahead and bring up the Binance chart here, and we'll refresh it. This is crazy, crazy stuff. There we go. Awesome. Look at the chart, man. Look at this. This is awesome. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for your support. This is absolutely good. Now it's going to maintain this position. Hopefully, is it going to maintain? So Lee Murray, yes, you bet. Welcome. Thank you. And if you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. This is awesome. Appreciate your support on this channel. We're going to the moon. You bet. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It is still a buy. Still a buy. Thank you so much. All right. Righteous fishing might dip. Good time to buy. Possibly. It could happen. Wall Street pickers. Epic day. You bet. It is epic. No doubt. You guys are making history right here with me on Invest channel. This is it. All right. This is history. This is going to be recorded, right? And I'm going to keep it once Doge hits the moon, when it goes to the moon, right? I'm going to keep it and we'll come back to it. So we grow as a community, and this is exciting. This is super, super good, right? That's what we're looking at. All right. ST of ST, just buy and hold. That's a good strategy. Yeah, if you want to buy and hold, that is absolutely a good strategy to have moving forward. All right, thanks for subscribing, by the way. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This is the #1 channel that I'm going to bring you every single day. So thank you. Discovery Feed, just subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate your support on this channel. And of course, moving forward, we'll continue to bring you day updates every single day. Crypto J, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. And super chat, super stickers, any support that you can. This is awesome, so that I can bring you latest news updates, forecasts about cryptocurrency, about altcoins every single day moving forward. Douglas, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Thanks for joining in. You guys are great. This is awesome, man. This is just crazy. This is super, super good. Dogecoin is at 0.059. John McNiven just subscribed. Thank you so much, John. Appreciate it. And hit the bell notification too, guys, by the way, so you get notified every time I stream, because I do it every single day. All right. Flex 2202. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate it. Awesome. All right. So yeah, this is great. So we did our weekly analysis. This was the goal for this. Let's see who else subscribed. Renee Martinez, thank you so much. Appreciate your support. And hit the bell notification too, so you get notified every single time. All right, let's see. Jason, thanks so much, Jason, for being part of this wonderful, wonderful channel and wonderful community. I appreciate your support. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. We did our weekly analysis. This is awesome. We ran the technical indicators. Harry Morrison, thank you so much for subscribing. Appreciate your support. Awesome, guys. And then we have Dogecoin at 0.06. Way to go, guys. Way to go. We did it so far, right? Just a small milestone, right? Just a small milestone. But in fact, it's a huge leap, for mankind. That's what I'd say when we got to the moon, right? One step, but a giant leap for mankind. Was that it? Yeah, that was it. Something like that, right? So this is it. This is a small step, but of course the giant leap is still to come. We need to see Doge at $1 ASAP. That's what's would be exciting to see. But I'm going to be covering this every single day, of course, as we move forward in time, right? That's my goal on this channel, to bring you the latest update, news, and forecasts for this. So thank you so much for your support, helping this channel with your super chat, with your super stickers. This actually gets me not only just more motivation, but also we are actually going to be printing some t-shirts with Dogecoin on it, and we're doing weekly. So we're going to build and grow together, guys, in this. Okay, so 6 cents and still going up. So it may just shoot up to 7 cents, or I don't know if it doesn't stop. We still have time. Market is still active. It's a strong buy. Guess what? This is it. It happened, guys. You're looking at it. You're just looking at it. This is crazy. Arkham, the jump pre-stimulus, guys. Yeah, the stimulus checks over the weekend are going to be in. So what are you going to buy if you get those checks, right? Guess what? I don't need to say it. I'm going to say it. It's Dogecoin. All right. All right, Myra, 7, let's go. 7 cents, you bet. And that's what we're looking at it, right? That's exactly where the trend is moving. That's exactly where the chart is going. Brian C. sold a kidney to buy the dip. You bet, buddy. Thanks so much. Yeah, this is cool. Omer, sorry, subscribe. Thank you so much, Omer. Appreciate it. Welcome to this channel. You are going to find this channel as your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, bringing you the latest news, updates, and forecast every single day. USA VT, buy now. Yeah, I mean, it's your of course decisions. You see it happening. Just when I started the stream, by the way, Dogecoin was at 0.055, right? I think just when I started the stream. So just in 2 hours, how much money you guys made? Tell me, all right? How much money you guys made, right? Anyways, we'll run the numbers, but yeah, definitely. Minuteman 0311, thanks, subscribe. Let's go Doge Army. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate it. Krogan CG, I just pawned my car to the moon. You bet, buddy. Yeah, this is so. You pawned your car, but you want to get your Ferrari, right? Pretty time soon, right? One Doge is one Lambo, right? Maybe Lambo. That's cool. So, yeah, thanks so much for your support. All right. Golden Greaser, you learned so much here. Thank you so much. That's the goal. That's my #1 goal, to not only we learn, we run the technical analysis, we learn the market conditions, we in fact gather all of the data and then corroborate that data, okay? Not just talk about fluff stuff and just speculation. No, it's actually based on some solid market information. And this channel is proving that. I'm proving this on this channel for the last 2 weeks by streaming every single day, bringing you up-to-date, solid information, okay? And look at the results. It actually jumped up to 0.6. That's how it is, because data, numbers are effective, all right? So we're hoping that it's going to stay at this, it's going to create the new support level, and then of course grow to the next level of support. And of course there'll still be resistance, right? There's always 2 levels. So if it maintains its support level and maintains that level for a day, 2, maybe 3, 4 days, or even a week or so, whatever it is, it will definitely be in the consolidation phase one more time. And once a stock is in its consolidation phase, which means the price is moving sideways, right? It just kind of staying stable. Chances are it will go up, and not chance, it's the probability is that it will break out again. Why? Because the rules of the principles of investing say that on a 4-hourly basis, if the price is held for on a 4-hour basis, the high probability that it will go up. Okay, so that's the idea. And that's what we saw last 2 weeks. Dogecoin for the last 2 weeks was averaging at 0.05, 0.051, 0.049. That's what the average was, right? 0.05. And of course, look at today. What a wonderful weekend. Saturday. Awesome. The price is now up. All right. So yeah, thank you for your support, guys, for your love, for your support in growing this channel. Lee Murray, just subscribe. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And also hit the bell notification, by the way, so that you get notified every single time I come up with a new piece of info, data for you. And of course, thank you, all of you, one more time for all the super chat, all the support for this channel that you've given today. This is absolutely phenomenal. I'm very humbled by your love and support, and I will continue to put in my efforts in bringing you the up-to-date information about cryptocurrency investing, and growing this channel, growing you, helping you grow your portfolios to the best of my abilities. That's my ultimate objective and goal, and of course my passion, because I do it for myself. Why not share my knowledge and expertise with you guys? Even though I'm not a financial advisor, but with a degree in finance and a PhD and with a number of years in this, uh, investing business, as well as IT. I'm also a entrepreneur, so I own several businesses, multiple income streams. So I've been around, and that's really has helped me quite a bit. So I'm more than happy to share my knowledge and expertise on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and of course, the super chat, super stickers are helpful to grow this channel. Appreciate your help and support. All right, so I'm going to navigate to a couple more things that I want to show you here. Let's switch to the other window. There we go. So Doge at 6 cents, guys. Go party on. Look at this. This is 6 cents. You see it. All right, we did it. We did it. We all did it, by the way. And thank you so much for your support on this channel. We all are in this together every single day, right? And streaming. So this is absolutely crazy. This is cool. So yeah, get those comments coming in. Oscar, just subscribe. Thank you so much. Appreciate your support, buddy. All right, Henry, to the moon. Let's go. Yeah, we're going. We're going, buddy. We're going. Ain't no stopping. Arkham, hold, people. Yeah, if you're buying, if you're buying as we speak, or if you're bought, you want to hold, because that's the next step. That's how we progress, right? So we go today, we go to the next level, we go to the next level, and that's how it is. And our analysis, exactly what we ran the analysis. Here's the result, guys. Okay, how true is that? So awesome. I'm happy to have you here, and thank you for your support. Syed, enjoying that coffee while Doge is going up? That's how you do it. You bet. That's how we party. 6 cents. So I'm going to figure out how to party next time when it goes to 10 cents, guys. I'm going to have something else with me here, right? Yeah, I'll figure something out. Yeah, send me some comments. Send me your thoughts. What are we going to do at 10 cents? What are you guys going to do at 10 cents, right? And this could be, by the way, sooner than you think. It's not going to be 6 months. It could be sooner than you think. So, yeah. All right. Local Ripper Vang, just subscribe, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love on this channel. And thank you, all of you, by the way, who has helped for the super chat and super sticker. Thank you so much. This is awesome, helping Invest Desk as your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, bringing you the latest news updates and streaming every single day. That's my goal, to bring you the up-to-date information on all these altcoins that I research. I spend a lot of time, a lot of effort into this. So thank you so much for your support in this. And definitely the data that I bring will help you make informed decisions. And that's my goal. All right, Carlos, welcome. Is it a good idea to buy Doge on the weekend? Yeah, it's a good question, because last weekend, it's kind of funny because last weekend Doge was up also. So this weekend is actually way up considerably. But yeah, it's, again, your own decision when you want to buy. But our strategy here is to buy low when it's at a dip, right? And then kind of keep your average costs down. All right, Robs, DeLucas, some people already got their stims. Not me yet, but soon, I hope. Yeah, checks are coming. They're out. Billy, thanks for being on the channel. Appreciate it. I'd rather learn from you. Yeah, thank you so much, Billy. 4444. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for having the trust. And my goal is to bring you the latest, greatest information, solid information, whether it's news from the coins themselves, from the market itself, and that really helps in making informed decisions about your own investment. So yeah, thank you so much for your comment, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Sky Saint, hi everyone. Hey, you just joined the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, bringing you the latest news, updates, and forecasts based on market conditions, our technical analysis. We do that. I showed you how to set up the squeeze momentum indicator, by the way, a few days ago. Go check that video out if you have not learned that. That's a good indicator, by the way. It'll help you grow your portfolio even further, by the way. Wayne Alexander, welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. Welcome. Arturo, welcome at 10 cents. I'll throw a Dogecoin party with Dogecoin hodlers. Yeah, you bet. We all are gonna party, but we gotta figure something else out. We're gonna be on this channel. We're gonna do something, right? We're gonna be partying on this channel. Maybe I'll do something. So yeah, we'll think about it when it goes to 10 cents. That way we can do something. This is great. All right, John, welcome. When the price hits high and you buy, does it help to drive it higher? Well, yeah, of course, the demand is strong buy, so the price continues to go up. But if it finds the support level, and that's what we're hoping, that's exactly what we're looking at. Okay, so it's going to maintain this price level. And if it does that, if the market conditions are viable, that's the key. That means you're not looking back, right? You're just going forward. And that's true with every cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, 10 years ago, it was less than 10 cents. I mentioned that already. It's $60,000. Go figure, right? Same thing with Dogecoin, even though I shouldn't compare it with Bitcoin because these are two different beasts, right? Dogecoin is inflationary designs. The designs are different. This is people's crypto, guys. This is people's crypto. This is the currency of the earth. That's what it's being, given that way. It's designed that way. You are going to use Dogecoin to buy your daily groceries, you buy shopping, put gas in your car, right? Go to Starbucks for a cup of coffee. You're going to pay in Dogecoin because the transaction time, the verification of the transaction time in Dogecoin is less than a minute. Whereas in Bitcoin, it's 10 minutes. So imagine you're, at Starbucks and you order a coffee and you want to pay in Bitcoin, you have to wait 10 minutes before they actually verify your transaction and give you that coffee. 10 minutes. Your coffee is going to get cold, all right? Well, if it's a cold coffee, you can have it, but if it's a hot coffee, it's going to get cold. But in Dogecoin, if you buy something, it's less than a minute of verifying the transaction. So definitely it's designed to be a people's crypto, and that's what the power of Dogecoin is. So go check out that video on the power of Dogecoin. I made it on that stream. So we stream every day to bring you the latest news updates so that we make informed decisions, right? So this is really, really helpful moving forward. And I appreciate your support with being on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, guys, hit the bell notification, and of course, like. If you enjoy being here, you guys are making history. We all are together in this, and this is perfect. This is the channel where you can say it hit 6 cents, guys, right? And you can remember this day. All right, Jake, thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. I'm drinking 20 shots if it hits 10 cents. You bet. Way to go. Sergio, welcome. Kamran, welcome. Thank you so much. Please talk about XRP. There are 5 or 6 altcoins. I'm putting together a list, by the way. I'm going to put XRP on that list. I'm talking about Chile. I'm talking about Ethereum. I'm talking about Cardano. All these other coins, other altcoins. So yes, I will note it down. All right, HH, welcome. Kevin, welcome. Market cap have to get at 10 billion to get to 0.08. Yeah, it'll get there. Not to worry. Not to worry. We're moving. We're moving. Things are happening. John, much wow. You bet. Doge to the moon. Arata, I have a bad feeling. Should I sell it? I don't know. That's your own decision. Again, you want to take profit now or in stages. That's again your strategy. All right. But personally, myself, I'm holding it. I'm just holding it. All right. I have multiple portfolios, by the way, and I mentioned this already. I already showed you. Buying Dogecoin, or investing in multiple portfolios, diversifying your risk, not putting, all the eggs in one basket is a good strategy. Okay. All right, Sergio, 0.07 is short time. You bet. You bet. Dogecoin needs a biscuit. Maybe it will stay up. Yeah. Thomas, welcome. Thank you. And if you're new, by the way, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. And thank you so much, by the way, for all of you who are supported right now with the super chat and super stickers, helping this channel become, or it is rather, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, bringing you the latest news, updates, and forecasts so you make informed decisions. All right, I'm the Joel. Man, thank you so much. Stop misleading people. You ain't going to make money from Doge. It's not going above 10 cents. Do some research. Buy Cardano and Litecoin. Well, that's your own thought. More power to you, but we saw the analysis. I showed you the Excel spreadsheet, guys. Investing in Dogecoin is more profitable in terms of making more percentage, by the way. Numbers don't lie. So yeah, definitely. No worries. That's your own decision. We also have a portfolio in Litecoin and Cardano, by the way. So hey, I'm with you. Bitcoin over 61,000. Go figure. It is. Let me check. Yeah, it is 61,236. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it, for Bitcoin, right? And of course for Dogecoin too. All right, so yeah, market is really pumping. Is it because of the stimulus check? Maybe is it what? No tweets coming out from Elon Musk. I don't see it. All right, Lucas Hill. That's a small number. If Bitcoin is 500K, you will see Doge over $1. Yeah, Bitcoin. We're hoping Bitcoin, right? I'm going to do another video on this, by the way, to cross 100K before the end of the year. So I don't know, but I don't think it's tied up with Bitcoin, because last week when Bitcoin went up, or Bitcoin went down, Dogecoin went up. So I'm not sure. I'm still evaluating this. I'm closely monitoring and watching what is happening between the two, whether there's a correlation or not, right? So I'm running my own numbers, running my own analysis, and I'll share that with you once I get somewhere. All right. Let's see. Roderick, welcome. Roderick96 got off the phone with Doge customer service. They told me please hold. Yes, you bet. We're gonna hold. Just like the website crashed, by the way. Remember yesterday, a Canadian firm, a social platform, their website crashed because they announced that they're gonna start mining Dogecoin, and people just flocked to their site. It crashed it. Imagine Dogecoin's power, guys, right? So don't underestimate the power of little Shiba Inu dog. Okay. All right. Awesome. Fareed, welcome. Doge will hit $1 soon. That's what we're hoping. That's what we're looking. So thank you so much for your support. If you're new, by the way, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified as we grow together. Today we made history. It crossed 6 cents, and this is exciting. But definitely a hold. I'm holding my own coins. I'm holding Dogecoin, and that's really the key for long-term success in cryptocurrency, and that's how it is. Just take a look at any other, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, any other. It's really the long-term scenario. But of course, if you need to have a short-term gains, that's your own decision as well. Squidward, Tentacles, thank you for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Kevin, thanks so much, buddy. All right, so let's navigate to our couple of more things I want to show you here quick. Here is, yeah, you'll like this, by the way. And by the way, this is my Twitter. So if you guys want to follow, this is at invest_desk. All right. So hit the follow button here too as well, so you get latest tweets when I do something. But I want to share this particular tweet with you. This is super helpful, and you guys are gonna like it. You're gonna love it. This is by Blockport, and let me click on it so you can see it. There we go. Check it out. 1 year ago today, 1 year ago, exactly 1 year ago today, Bitcoin was at $3,800, and right now it's at 61,000. 1 year ago, Ethereum was at $110. It's almost touching $2,000. Similarly, Binance Coin, Cardano was only 2 cents. It's over $1. 1 year ago, Litecoin was 30 bucks, right? Chainlink, $1.97, Stellar, 0.03, and here's our baby, here's our buddy, here's our dog, here's our Dogecoin. It's 0.001 1 year ago. I don't know what to say. So if you had 50,000 coins, 50,000 Doge coins, right? Or you invested, let's say, $1,000, only $1,000 in Dogecoin 1 year ago, where would you be today? I want to show you this. So remember, this number is 0.001. I'll navigate to our example here, our profitability analysis right here. So I'm going to enter 0.001. If you invested $10,000 1 year ago in Dogecoin, right now, as we speak, you will have $613,000 just on a $10,000 investment, guys, in 1 year. All right. So check it out. Numbers don't lie. That's how it is. What do you think? Let me know in comments. What do you think? So this is absolutely real, and this is happening. So cryptocurrency is a wonderful, of course, it's highly volatile, it's high risk, but if you play smart, if you are able to understand the market conditions, if you are able to get that experience under yourself using some technical analysis, pretty much the odds will be in your favor because of your own analysis. And that's the reason why InvestDesk channel, this channel right here, is going to help you get this information. And that's my goal. Okay, that's my goal. So definitely thank you for joining here. By the way, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're already here, thank you so much, guys. You're part of this awesome team. Thank you for your support, everything. And look at this, this right here is just, it's a fact. It's a fact. Because you are going to, make $600,000, a little over $600,000 if you invested in Dogecoin exactly 1 year ago. All right. So if you invested, let's say, $20,000, you would have been a millionaire as we speak. So I'll be speaking to a millionaire right now just from Dogecoin, right? 1 year ago, you spent $20,000, you invested $20,000 thinking that Dogecoin price is only a fraction of a penny, 0.001 cent. And right now it's 0.06, right? You are a millionaire. That's real. That's real. So do not underestimate Dogecoin, guys. So let's fast forward. Today, the price is at 0.6 cents. 1 year from now, right? What do you think? Look at the percentage growth. That's 6,000% growth in Dogecoin 1 year from now. 6,000%. So if this momentum continues, even if you buy today at just 5 cents, 6 cents, that's the most undervalued cryptocurrency. No doubt about it. In my opinion, that's my personal opinion, by the way, right? 5 cents, 6 cents is just, just cents. So if you were to invest today and hold for 1 year, where do you think you're going to be? That's 6,000%, right? So you can do the math here. You will become a millionaire. Simple as that. right? Of course, based on the assumption, based on the analysis that 1 year ago, Dogecoin was at 0.001 and now it's at 0.0623. That's the current price. You would have gained $1.2 million on a 20K investment. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. 1 year from now. All right. And this is just Dogecoin, by the way. Talk about, Bitcoin, talk about Litecoin, talk about Ethereum, like Chili's and all these other altcoins that I have. And I've, again, put up a list together. So if you want me to cover certain other altcoins, put it in the comments. I'll make a note. And then, of course, I run the analysis on those and give you the latest information about those moving forward. So, yeah, definitely check it out. Let me know. What do you think? All right, so where are we at in our, yeah, there we go. So this is the analysis, guys. This is how it is. And these are the numbers. These are real. All right, let's pick up some comments here. Thanks so much, guys, for your support. Wayne at InvestDesk is helping us fuel our rockets to go to the moon. You bet. You bet. I'm in it with you guys. I'm part of the team here. This is a wonderful, wonderful team. It's a wonderful community, and this is awesome to have you guys here, to have you subscribe to the channel, to get some support from you through super chats, super stickers, and that's really how I intend to grow this channel. And of course, we're still working on those t-shirts, guys. Remember, I'm going to work on those in the next couple weeks as time progresses and see how things pan out. I'm going to be doing some giveaways and some fun stuff too as we grow together on this channel. All right, G Wills, welcome. All right, thanks so much for joining. Roller Rock 21. Hey, how's it going? I just recently started getting into stocks and crypto. What is the best? I believe it's called a wallet. Which one is the best shake to stash my cash? You definitely want to have, as best practice, a hardware-based wallet like Ledger Nano X. Link in the description. Go check it out. If you want a software-based wallet, then you can use other wallets like crypto.com. There's so many other, like MetaMask and so many other wallets, right? But the goal is to have your own keys with you, the private keys, right? The public key, there's a private key and a public key. Public key, everyone knows, which helps you transact, but the private key is something that you own, right? So I'm going to cover these wallets, by the way, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. So I'll be talking about wallets next week. Very, very important. But thanks for the comment. I appreciate it. All right. Yeah, Pasang Lama, this guy is good. Oh, thank you so much. I'm humbled. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I just do my research. I bring in my research, bring in my expertise, and share my knowledge. That's all I'm doing, guys. That's my goal, to make this #1 channel, not only doing technical analysis, but also solid market analysis for a specific cryptocurrency. So Dogecoin, of course, being my favorite and your favorite, right? Therefore, I'm spending a lot of time on Dogecoin every single day. I stream, so make sure you're part of this channel so you don't get to miss an important update when I'm streaming, whether it's a time to buy or for other data about other cryptocurrencies, right? So this is the channel for you. So thank you for your support. And thanks for joining in. Thanks for tuning in. All right. Alejandro, thank you so much for joining. TY Biggers, appreciate it. I like it when people say, man, Dogecoin is a joke. So you're telling me making 64K last month were a joke? You bet. It's true. The numbers are real, man. These numbers are real. Okay. And I'm doing it. You doing it, but hey, that's how it is. King 12, welcome. Should I buy more Doge? Well, the indicators are strong buy, but definitely you want to do your own homework. It's your own strategy. Our goal is to buy low and hold, and then of course as the market goes up, based on our analysis, based on market conditions, see where things are moving, and then of course we take our profits, and we have multiple portfolios. So all of these strategies I unpick on this channel moving forward. All right, so make sure you subscribe. so we can grow as a team moving forward. All right. Thanks for the great spreadsheet analysis. Nobody does this. You the man. Thanks so much for the support. Appreciate it. Thanks for the comments. All right. I'm hoping this stays strong. Still waiting on Robinhood wallet. Yeah, Robinhood is, they say that they're going to give you keys, but they have not yet. Okay. So they've not provided access to the wallets as of right now. But yeah, maybe in future they will. All right, so we're checking out our weekly analysis for Dogecoin, and this is it. Our weekly averages for high and weekly average for low are right here. The average low for last week is 0.054, and the weekly average low for the week prior was 0.04, and the weekly average for the week of Feb 22nd, which is the third week going back, was 0.053. If I were to make an average of all of these together, just a 3-week low average, by the way, this will help you. I'm going to do it right here so you can see. Hopefully this is not, there we go, I can do it in this cell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a weekly average of the averages, right? So 0.0543, and then I'm going to do 0.053 for the Feb, and then for 0.0488. Okay, so just these three numbers from the low column. All right, so I took this average, I took the second average, I took the third average, all these three numbers. Okay, so if I do an average here, there's the average, and I'm just going to highlight this. There's the average, guys. This is it. So let's do the text color so you know exactly what I'm looking at here. Or not the text color, how about a fill color? All right, so let's pick a color here. Let's do green for money. There we go. So the average low for Dogecoin for the last 3 weeks is 0.05, 0.052. That's the average low buying. So if you were to buy, if you bought Dogecoin 3 weeks ago, if you bought Dogecoin 2 weeks ago, and if you bought Dogecoin just last week that ended yesterday, your average buying price would be 0.052, right? That's the average. So now if I take this number 0.052 and input in our analysis here, so I do 0.0520, okay, and right now Doge is at 0.6. If I invest $20,000 a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks, throughout the last 3 weeks I've been buying Dogecoin, right? And my average buy is at 0.05, and right now Doge is at 0.06, for example. It's a 20% gain, 20% gain on my just portfolio of just one coin, Dogecoin, all right, based on a 20K investment. If you like to be conservative, if you want to go maybe lower, that's fine, not a problem, maybe 5,000, you'll still be gaining $1,000, right? And that's a 20% return. And by the way, that's just less than a month. We're not talking years. That's less than a month. So you can't beat that, guys. So yeah, definitely. This is really, really what the math is. That's simple. All right, let's pick up some comments here quick. All right, Steve Jackson, thanks. You're welcome. Thanks, buddy. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thanks for tuning in. Chris Torres, what wallet to use in Texas? Good question. Yeah, I'll cover the wallet topics, by the way, next week, guys. Lots and lots of you guys want this, and this will be helpful. I've also ordered for myself a Ledger Nano X. So maybe I'll do an unboxing maybe next couple of weeks, see how it goes when it gets to me, maybe sooner, but definitely on my agenda. All right, Squidward, what do you think of Coinbase maybe accepting Doge? Coinbase, by the way, just listed 3 other coins yesterday, and Dogecoin is also on their platter. Coinbase, by the way, those of you who do not know, I did a full video on this. Coinbase, they are going public. They are going to go public on NASDAQ, for example, as a direct offering. And this is the crypto exchange, by the way, Coinbase, which is going to be regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission in the US. So that's pretty cool. That's huge news, by the way, because if the exchanges are going public, right? So the currency that these exchanges are using on their platform are also going to be protected, because the goal of the regulators, right? The goal of the government, the goal of the regulators is to protect investors. That's really the goal of the bottom line for the Securities and Exchange Commission and any other regulator, right? So it's to protect investors, and that's very solid. So if Coinbase also lists Dogecoin, which I'm sure moving forward they'll be listing it, that's also going to be a solid bump for Doge. All right, we want Doge merch. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I like this. That's cool. So we're talking about t-shirts, right? So instead of doing it otherwise, we can set up a merch store, and then you guys can with all of this super chat, things coming in, with all of this support coming in, I can set that up. Yeah, thanks for the idea, Mara. That's good. So I'll keep that in mind. Appreciate it. John says, everyone thought I was crazy for buying 20K worth Doge in 2018. Yeah, you're still crazy, man, because you're making a lot of money now, right? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, definitely. Just like people thinking even right now that Dogecoin is a joke, is not going to work. Well, guess what? It's not. So yeah, definitely. Congratulations, John. Appreciate it. That's awesome. So it's never too late, guys. So one key takeaway is what? It's never too late, right? It's always, you're going to find your right position. You're going to find the right buy. You're going to find the right average for yourself. And then you're going to execute the portfolio. Like right here, you see the Excel spreadsheet, for example. Now my Excel spreadsheet is, of course, way more complex. I just created this for you guys. A very, very simple scenario here. But it's just effective. It's just as effective, right? So that's how it is. You want to maintain, you want to keep track of your average buying, and this will help you grow your portfolio, whether it's just for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, any other altcoins that are out there. All right. Arnaud Shanghai, thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Some dude 177, don't forget capital gain tax, you day traders new to the market. Yeah, great point. Thank you so much. And I'm going to do another stream on this too. If you sell, by the way, make sure you also account for paying taxes. You need to pay taxes on the income. You need to report that to the IRS eventually, right? So yeah, keep that in mind, by the way. If you're day trading, if you're pumping and dumping, you're buying and selling, you need to be careful about your taxes. Yeah, thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. That's good. All right, Mark, welcome. Thank you. Mister, do you think it can reach $5 in 2 to 3 years? Well, we were thinking it's not gonna cross 6 cents, by the way, Mark, just last couple of weeks. So hey, it's just breaking all records. So yeah, could be 2 3 years. Like Bitcoin, I mean, I sort of like talk about Bitcoin, even though they're 2 different coins, they're not really related, and I should not be comparing. I should be comparing apples to apples and not apples to oranges. But the entire cryptocurrency, if you just overall the entire cryptocurrency, all these coins, look at them where they were, just 1 year ago, and I just showed you that. Let me bring that up one more time, so you can see the actual analysis right here. Dogecoin was at 0.001. Bitcoin was at 3,800 1 year ago. So these are real numbers, right? And that helps you, kind of identify and take a look at it, of how you want to position your portfolio. All right. Perfect. And by the way, Dogecoin on Reddit, they have over 1 million users already. So it's a huge community. It's not small. It's not a new coin. It's not something the developers are working on it. They're incentivized and they're actually started to work on it. They just came up with an upgrade. I talked about that. Check out my stream. So it's just all of this information that actually leads up and builds the momentum, and then the price goes up, right? And then of course there's a squeeze, there's a market release, and that the price goes down. And that's typical. That's typical. That's with everything. But as long as more and more are in favor, that's what the goal is. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much. ManRam 509, 10 years. You're telling me I can retire at 35? You could probably retire early, ManRam. Yeah, thanks for joining in, by the way. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and the bell notification. Yeah, 10 years is a long time. Like Bitcoin, 10 years, you're a millionaire. And they're billionaires too, by the way. So yeah, this is crazy, crazy stuff. Cryptocurrency is crazy world. You just gotta have to, play it smart. Make sure you have all the information, knowledge, data to back your decisions. And this channel, Invest Desk, is that channel that is going to bring you this every single day. And that's what I do. All right. That's what I do. I share my expertise, share my knowledge, so you guys can grow and we all grow as one big team, so we can party together. All right. Doug F, my crypto account is titled Doge the Haters. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, definitely. All right. Wall Street Pickers, when you're going to have the Dogecoins giveaway? I won $100 ETH on Wealthy Freedom Legacy channel the other night. Thank you again, Manri Hernandez with Omnicoin. Yeah, definitely. That's the plan. That's the plan, Wall Street. That's the plan. I'm gonna do the giveaway. I was talking to my printers, and I'm gonna check out the prices on those T-shirts. Maybe set up a merch store. I don't know. There's so many things that are happening, and I'm of course trying to take time out for all of this. So. And I appreciate your support coming in through Super Chat and Super Stickers. This is helping me build this channel and grow this channel with you guys. So with your support, we're all in it together. So definitely, I'm going to have this giveaway pretty soon come up. Some how it's going to work out. So I'm still in the early phases. I'm just thinking. In fact, I'm getting ideas and feedback from you guys because it's for us. It's for us. We made history today anyways, right? 6 cents. We're all in it. All this is absolutely recorded. And someday I'm going to play it for you, maybe 1 year from now, right? When all of you guys will become millionaires. Hey, don't forget Invest Desk. Don't forget Syed. That's me. All right. So definitely, Mark says, thanks. You're most welcome. Appreciate you being on this channel. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being here. And of course, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification and the like. And if you do wish to support this channel, check that Super Chat, Super Stickers out that you see on your screen. So Dogecoin is about at 0.06, 0.0599. That's where it's happening. And hopefully it is going to maintain this support level. And if it does, then of course the next step is to wait for the next bump. It's going to bump up. But again, that has to have a solid backing of, market conditions, acceptance of the coin, and see how this coin is being implemented all across the globe, right? Whether in the US or otherwise. So that's exactly what we follow on this channel. And this is your #1 channel, cryptocurrency investing channel, to bring you the latest updates, news, and forecasts. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Appreciate your support. You guys are awesome. This is super, super exciting. This is so cool. All right, Slidey, thank you so much. King Doge, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for your support. So I wanted to share this weekly update with you. I do it every week. Of course, we stream every day. So whatever information we gather every day, I keep track of. And then over the weekend, we run the analysis and see at which price we bought, at which price we sold. And that helps us grow our portfolio and build our portfolio. So I just wanted to share this quick tweet with you guys so you can see the potential moving forward with Dogecoin. Okay, because 1 year ago Doge was at 0.001, and if you had invested about $10,000 at this price, you would have gained a little over $600,000, right? Or potentially a millionaire, so depending on how much you are investing. So here's our technical analysis, by the way. It's still a strong buy. The summary, the moving averages, the oscillators have become neutral, right? So which means that the price may now stagnate at this level, 0.06, somewhere around there. But we'll see. Still a strong buy. The signals are still doing pretty well. Still a little bit of time left in the market, and of course it'll continue on over the weekend and next week. So definitely all these indicators that you see here, the oscillators are either neutral or buy. Okay, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys. Appreciate it. I wanted to cover our weekly recap for the last 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm going to take a little break here, and then I'll be right back so you guys can chit chat and keep this chat going on. But before I go on a small break, Julian, should I hold? Bitcoin took 12 years to mature. Will it ever hit 50 cents? Yes, 3 to 4 years. We're talking about this, so I'll have you guys chat. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll be right back in a couple of minutes. And then we'll do a summary recap before I call it a day. So definitely Dogecoin to the moon, and that's where we are. All right, guys, I'm back. That was a good break. I needed a break. Um, all right, so hopefully we had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stream. It's just super exciting to have you guys here. Thank you again for such wonderful comments, so wonderful support. Especially shout out to all of those who've contributed with super chat, super stickers, helps grow this channel. Working on some giveaways, t-shirts, because it's just for all of us. So again, thank you for your love, support. Make sure you subscribe, by the way, if you're already here. If you're new to the channel, Dogecoin to the moon. Michael, thank you. Let's go Dogecoin. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it. Again, give me some comments if you need me to cover other altcoins as we go forward. Run the analysis. I'll be more than happy to, because I do it every single day. So yeah, thanks so much. And of course, Wall Street Pickers, by the way, shout out again one more time for your support. And